Today we are going to show you guys how to cook eel with lemongrass and turmeric leaves.
If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon. Then let's see together. Thank you.
What are the benefits of eating eel? Eel is classified as a food group that provide a lot of nutrients that are beneficial to health. Eel have many roles in improving the conditions of damaged organs, low leprosy areas. Now let's jump into our easy recipe. We are going to slice lemongrass. Lemongrass is a rich source of flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which contains antioxidants. Kaffir lime leaves. When using kaffir lime leaves in food, you will want to cut them into thin strips that are easy to eat. Galangal. Galangal is used as a flavoring in a variety of food. Galangal can be eaten fresh or cooked and is a popular addition of Cambodia cuisine. Fresh healing. Don't use it if you don't like spicy. Garlic. Garlic may even retain more beneficial compound and improve several aspects of your teeth. Turmeric leaves. It is time to make the most of turmeric leaves. We are sure incredible benefits are sure to impel you to try a bunch of these leaves today. Turmeric leaves are used in Ayurvedic medicine and are believed to have antiseptic properties that help reduce symptoms of cold. And even intestinal worms. Turmeric leaves are also believed to help improve digestion and can prevent bloating and abdominal discomfort. Holy basil. Holy basil has been shown to boost your body's health in a variety of ways. It can help protect against inflation, lower your blood sugar, lower your cholesterol, ease joint pain, and protect your stomach. So let's start to cook our healthy meal together. Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.